Melanie, at Heller you talk about experience sparks intelligence. What do you mean?
I mean, experiences for us, we are more than 130 years old, so that's pure experience actually. But anyways, with our alliances and partnerships, we get even stronger. Also, we get the input from our customers, which sparks the experience and the intelligence even more. And then on top, we are cooperating with tooling companies, with digitalization companies, Siemens for digital threads. We have automation companies we are working with, and that gets even bigger. So our customers have actually one point of contact with all the experience. We get into that, and then it gets even bigger.
And sparks intelligence.
And sparks intelligence for sure.
Now you mentioned the digital thread. What's this?
The digital thread is actually a project what we did together with Siemens. So we had an inquiry of a scavenge pump, of a blisk. And it's a Rolls-Royce blisk, what you can actually see here at the Expo too. And so the inquiry was that it needs to be lighter, less fatigue, and is resistant to stress factor 9. Okay. So they were simulating everything in NX. You can see here the whole chain, and we were part of that. So when it comes first, it is all about digitalization. It's in the digital world, it's with the digital twin, it's running properly in the digital world, but at a certain point, it comes to the real machining. So what we had, we were digitally modeling the part, and then it came to our digital twin, to the machine. So on the HF 3500, we were actually machining first in the digital world, did on-machine probing, did the parts there, and then they came to our facility and we actually did the real parts. So these 3D printed aluminium parts, they were machined on our machine.
Yeah.
And then we also did the probing and did the execution here.
Now at Heller, you've been talking about AI for well over 12 months. So what's new with AI?
Actually, we are developing, or we'll be actually releasing the Ask Me, our chatbot. It's like ChatGPT, same functionality, you can ask questions, but it's going into the machine documentation. It's also looking into the data, what you get from the machine. So our Heller service interface is providing information of the machine, like for maintenance specific or production specific details. And then you can ask your chatbot what to do. Example, you have a coolant issue. So you see your coolant levels, so you got to fill it. So how to do it and where to find the right material. So you're actually asking your chatbot, how do I do it? Where do I find my information? You get the instruction, and then even if you're connected to your company network, it will tell you where you find your coolant. So that's pretty cool. And also documentation-wise, if you're not sure about programming or operation, you got to search in your manual, like in Google, but it gives you the right information to your machine.
Now, this week, and for many weeks, the whole topic of workforce, new skills, workforce training is a huge topic.
Yeah.
Where does TOKN fit into all this?
Thinking about what we just spoke about with the AI. AI is clever, but AI doesn't know everything. And also you have to validate whether your answer is correct. Okay. Talking about workforce and about higher inquiries from the market, you anyways need the good educated people, and this is where TOKN comes into the game. The TOKN is a full-blown 5-axis machine. It's like our HELLER machines with a complete numeric 1 control, but it's for training purpose. It's built in our apprenticeship department. The apprentice build it from scratch, and then it's later used for education. So people get well trained on a numeric 1 control and a 5-axis machine. So later when they go into the market, they work, or actually also career changers, they learn about the machines and they're properly trained to work on this complex requirements of the industry.
Now with the pace of change, technology, innovation, so much stuff is changing. Your own personal point of view, where are we headed?
That's actually a good question. I mean, it's kind of it's unsure. Future's always unsure. A lot of influences right now on the market. I think we're moving forward. 5-axis technology is getting more intense and more important because the inquiries what we see in the market are more precision. There's higher quality. Everything needs to be better and better. Also, we get more digitalization into it. Everything needs to be automated, but you still need that person that has the knowledge, that needs to be intelligent and has the experience how to do it the right way. Even if you have AI, computers, robots all over, anyways, there needs to be experience and there needs to be a good way. But where it directly leads, I don't know.
But I think if any of us knew the answer to where the future is taking us.
Yeah, and there needs to be a little surprise too.
Come on. Exactly.